Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and here are the final results from the stock market game. So we played in the New York City stock market region. We played from September 23rd to December 13th, and Ignacio came in 137th place. So that's excellent. We're going to show you all the schools. There were close to 900 schools that participated. We had a late start. We didn't start till like the end of October, and then we closed out on the 13th. So originally they played like every Friday, and then within the game, I would say mid-November, December, we started playing Mondays and Fridays. Ryan came ranked 480 with second place, then period 4 with third place at 497, and then Shaya's group at 516, which was fourth place. So now we're going to show you all the schools.
Say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no.
It was a great experience. Thank you so much. We appreciate the opportunity to play in this game and also the opportunity to participate in the essay contest. So I know those essays are due this Friday. We are going to participate in that as well. And once again, thank you so much. We love this game and we'll definitely play again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.